everyone, welcome back to my IGTV. Okay, so today it's a very special video in collaboration with KTO Malaysia, which is the Korean tourism organization, as well as 7Vault, because they sent me this. So this is actually to celebrate the Friendship Year between Korea and Malaysia, which is the 60th year. So how many of you love Korea? Because I do. And thanks to all the Korean oppas and Korean dramas, I can't wait to actually be able to travel back to Korea. Right, so without further ado, let's see what is in this box. So firstly, it's filled with snacks. Alright, so there's a card here, and let's see what the card says. Alright, so it's happy 16th year Friendship Year Korea and Malaysia. So are you craving for some snacks? No worries, we've got your back. So in conjunction with the 60th Friendship Year between Korea and Malaysia, Korean Tourism Organization, along with 7Vault, is giving away a box full of Korean and local treats especially for you. So if you're looking forward to actually get one box like this for yourself as well, stay tuned at the end of this video because I'll share with you how you can also get this little box. Alright, first snack that I just pulled out is the honey butter chip, which is this. So the honey butter chip also came with the almond. Alright, so honey butter is a very famous flavor in Korea, and it's a very unique flavor. I think that's why it became very famous, and it's not very cheap in Malaysia, but super good. Alright, so these two, because it's something new, I'm going to share this with you all later. Okay, and let's see what else we have. This is iconic. I think anyone who's been to Korea, or your friends who've been to Korea, they will buy you this bag for a souvenir, right? And this is the pepper roll, and this one I have it in the almond and chocolate. Alright, and next what do we have from Korea? It's their seaweed. So seaweed is something I really love as well. I think it's quite something special from Korea, and this is a very good diet food as well. So for those of you who are also looking to lose weight, you want a healthy snack, this is a snack for you. Okay, and lastly, we have their famous melon flavored milk drink. I know the banana one is very popular, but I think I like the melon one more. I've not really tried this before, so I'm going to try this later as well. Right. So let's not forget that we also have a lot of Malaysian snacks here too. Okay, and some of those are actually my childhood favorites. Firstly, the biggest one, we cannot forget the Mummy Monster. So the Mummy Monster is really, I think last time it used to be 20 cents or 50 cents, I don't know, but super love it. And we also actually have like a huge bag of Mummy Monsters inside this box as well. Alright, so what else you'll be getting in this box is Super Ring Rota Prawn Crackers, and you've got 3 packets of our teddy bear biscuits. Right, and this one is like super iconic. I'm not sure if Korean they actually have a snack that is similar with this. Okay, and then we've also got Tiger biscuits as well as the Yuki Burger Jelly. Love this. Right, so that's a huge box, and guess what? You can also win all of these snacks. Okay, all of these snacks thanks to KTO as well as 7Vault. So all you've got to do is, alright, so very simple. You just want to follow these steps here. Okay, I'm gonna put it here somewhere. Later I'll put it in. Alright, follow these steps here, and it's also written in the caption down below, and you get to stand a chance to win this huge box. I'm gonna share all of these snacks with Joel, I think, if I have not finished it yet. Alright, but I'll share all of this with him, and definitely want to share all of this with you as well. So please remember to join my giveaway. Alright, and I'll choose the lucky winner soon. Bye, till then, stay safe.